In this video, I'll show you how to quickly copy pages between your Canva designs, perfect for reusing layouts and saving time. First, open the Canva file you want to copy from and click the grid view icon at the bottom right. This shows all your pages at once. Now, hold down Shift and click the pages you want to copy. This way, you can select multiple pages together. Next, press Ctrl+C to copy them. Then, open the Canva design where you want these pages to go. With the new project open, simply hit Ctrl+V and your pages will appear instantly, keeping all their original elements and layouts. And that's it. You've copied pages from one design to another in seconds. This trick is a real time saver and keeps your projects consistent. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva hacks.